everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly beautiful, cute, and absolutely adorable of the latest crochet blouse designs for 2026. If you love handmade fashion, soft textures, and timeless elegance, then you're in for a real treat. In this video, we'll be exploring a stunning collection of crochet blouses that combine creativity, comfort, and style in the most charming way. Crochet blouses have made a powerful comeback, and in 2026, they're more stylish than ever. From delicate lace patterns to bold modern designs, these pieces are perfect for anyone who wants to stand out while keeping that soft, feminine touch. As you watch these designs, notice the incredible detail in each piece. The patterns are not just beautiful, they tell a story. Every stitch reflects patience, skill, and creativity. Whether it's floral-inspired designs, geometric patterns, or minimalist styles, each blouse has its own unique personality. One of the most amazing things about crochet blouses is their versatility. You can wear them casually with jeans for a relaxed daytime look, or pair them with skirts or tailored pants for something more elegant. They're perfect for any season, light and breathable for warm days, yet easy to layer when it gets cooler. You'll also see a variety of sleeve styles in this collection, from sleeveless and short sleeve designs to long, flowing sleeves that add a touch of drama and elegance. Some designs feature off-shoulder cuts, while others highlight classic round or V-neck shapes, giving you plenty of options to match your personal style. Color plays a huge role in these designs as well. Soft pastels, bold vibrant tones, and classic neutrals all come together to create a collection that feels fresh and modern. Whether you prefer simple and subtle or bright and eye-catching, there's something here for everyone. And let's not forget the texture. Crochet fabric has a unique feel that you just can't get from machine-made clothing. It adds depth and character, making every outfit look more special and handcrafted. If you're someone who enjoys DIY or handmade fashion, these designs can also serve as great inspiration for your next project. You can mix patterns, experiment with colors, and create something truly one of a kind. As you continue watching, take your time to enjoy each design. Maybe you'll find your next favorite outfit, or even get inspired to start your own crochet journey. Let me know in the comments which design you loved the most. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.